Good morning, students. Class 8 Science, and today's topic. Did you know? Firstly, we have known the gravitational force of Sun keeps the Earth moving the orbit. Here, the Earth have a rotation, and here they have revolution, Earth orbit about the Sun. Did you know that? The about 400 years ago, Galileo, Italian scientist, is supposed to have dropped the cannonball and the ball from the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. He observed that both took the same time fall on the ground. It was the Galileo who proved the gravity moved things to same speed no matter how big or small the object are. तो उन्होंने कैनन बॉल और एक बॉल सिंपल बॉल को लीनिंग टावर ऑफ पीसा से थ्रो किया या फेंका था, तो वो दोनों एक साथ ही सेम टाइम पर ग्राउंड पर फॉल हुए। तो उन्होंने बताया कि जो है ग्रेविटी जो है वो फिक्स होती है, अर्थ की ग्रेविटी फिक्स है, चाहे वो स्मॉल पार्टिकल हो या फिर बिग ऑब्जेक्ट हो। प्रेशर, वी आर फेमिलियर विद द वर्ड pressure. We used to pressure to perform many of day by day tasks. When you cook the food using a pressure cooker, enjoy the cold drink to straw and insert to the pin or to the on the board, you are using pressure. Pressure is a result of force exert over an area. Pressure क्या है? एक तरह का force है जो उस एरिया पर exert होता लगाया जाता है. The amount of force that pressure of certain area is known as pressure. The drawing pin are the good device of understanding to pressure work. When you push the pin, you apply force at the border end of the pin. This force get transferred to the narrow point end. The force you apply on the large area acts on the point of the pin. As a result, the point experience to greater amount of pressure and it pricks द बोर्ड। तो बोर्ड पर पिन को ग्रेटर अमाउंट से क्या कर देते हैं, प्रेस कर देते हैं, तो जिससे वो एक फिक्स एरिया पे या फिक्स जगह पे क्या हुआ वो स्टिक हो जाता है। द निडल नेल एंड नाइफ वर्क एंड सेम मैनर. फोर्स अप्लाई टू द पार्ट ऑफ द डिवाइस गेट ट्रांसफर टू द स्मॉल एरिया एंड रिजल्ट टू लार्ज प्रेशर. अगर एरिया स्मॉल है तो प्रेशर लार्ज होता है. Pressure which is force per unit area can be expressed as pressure force upon area. Since the unit of measuring force is Newton and area is measured to square meters and unit for pressure is Newton meter square. The SI unit of measuring pressure is Pascal and expressed in Newton meter square. It is the named after Blaise Pascal is the French mathematician and physicist. तो इस पास्कल जो है किसके नाम पे है, तो ब्लासी पास्कल थे, फ्रेंच साइंटिस्ट थे, मैथमेटिशियंस थे और फिजिक्सिस्ट थे, तो उन्हीं के नाम पर है ये. हियर गिवन ए एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड टू हाउ टू calculate the pressure produced the applying to 20 newtons of measuring 1 meter and 4 meter long. So 1 meter here, meter square, and Newton force upon area is equal to 5 Newton meter square or 5 Pascal. Second question, calculate the pressure produced to applying the 56 Newton force and flat surface having a width of 160 centimeter and length measuring 5 meter. तो area of surface converted into centimeter here and is converted into meter. 100 centimeter 1 meter 160.6 and here 1.6 meter multiply 5 meter is equal to 8 meter and force given 56 Newton and pressure is equal to force upon area of pressure is equal to 56 Newton upon 8 meter square is equal to 7 Newton per meter square, 7 Pascal. The ceramic tiles measuring 50 centimeter multiply 50 centimeter have been designed to the wear to pressure of 50 Newton meter square, built to be stand up force of 5 Newton. Area of tile is equal to इतना centimeter, 50 centimeters, it is converted into meter. 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter is multiply, they have given 0.25 meter square. Newton force 5 Newton, area of tiles to 0.25 meters. Pressure is the force upon area, divide, and then 20 Newton meter per second. Force of 5 Newton acting to the tiles to result the pressure 20 Newton meters. The answer, the tile will stand to 5 Newton to design a barrier, a pressure of 50 Newton meter square. Pressure exert by a liquid of a gas, like just like solid, liquid and gas also exert pressure. Liquid exerts pressure. You have seen the activity, a plastic bottle and hole with hole water. Take a plastic bottle, make a hole A and B, on the bottle stand and observe the what happened when the lower hole B experience more pressure of large water column above it. Water is pushed out to the greater force of the hole B because greater pressure, hence is travel to longer distance. Pressure exert a liquid increase with depth. In the ocean or lake, the pressure increase with the depth of the water. In deep water increase, the more water piled up and more causes pressure to very high of the bottom. तो बॉटम पर प्रेशर जो है यह गहराई में, वाटर में गहराई में प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. डीप डैम एक्सपीरियंस टू ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर at the bottom to withstand greater water pressure at the bottom. The lower portion of the dam made by broad. The pressure of liquid is given to depth is independent direction. At the given depth, the liquid is jerked to same amount of pressure of all direction. This is verified to placing pressure gauge, a device used to measure pressure. प्रेशर को नापने के लिए प्रेशर गेज पाया जाता है. It is certain depth to the water, it rotating a different direction. A manometer is simple pressure gauge is device to the measuring pressure. मैनोमीटर से भी प्रेशर जो है मेजर किया जाता है. The pressure of water or any other liquid is given depth does not depend upon the shape of vessels containing a liquid or the amount of liquid in the vessels. It depends upon height of the column of liquid. If the water is filled containers have a following shapes, the water pressure is given point A, B, C, D. Here given E will the same because the same point of the depth. The height here, pressure A, B, C, D and E. The pressure of liquid depend upon height of liquid. तो जिसमें हाइट ज़्यादा रहेगी वहाँ पर प्रेशर ज़्यादा रहेगा. वाटर या फिर जो भी लिक्विड रहेगा वो ज़्यादा प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.